I'm a shorty guy. Even Hazet bicycle is really high quality and heavy duty. Yes. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Yeah, there might be some possibility, but it's okay. Okay, we can go to the specialty section. Or this is the studio where they make all those videos for the Hazet officially.
It's a live workshop, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Here are the normal, also
Like
some
normal
tools and some specialty tools. Like this is for what was this?
Beer opener?
No.
I'm just joking. I know, but
for Turbolader of English.
Turbolader, keine Ahnung.
Wait a second.
we can learn German. What they say in Germany.
It's like for a Turbolader, but he's searching the English name.
All right. Yeah, I have this one,
A turbocharger.
and I have this one also.
Turbocharger is
Turbocharger.
yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
You know these rings?
Ah, yeah,
that are
yeah,
about
yeah.
that
This
are pretty
actuator, I don't know.
shit
Yeah,
to
exactly.
get off. This tool is exactly for that. So
Ah,
you can
okay.
open that with no damage to the.
Yeah,
ring.
open that one and
Yeah.
clip it. Yeah. All right. And this is, what is that? It's for the torque?
I don't know.
All right.
Or 2x.
I have this one also.
Yeah, that's.
Like, it's pretty convenient. I wish to have that one, but those are very expensive. Come on, Hazet. Don't do that. It's very
We'll
expensive.
do a special price for you.
Yeah. Oh, that I want actually so much. Badly. Because I like to do those kind of things. You know, I like crazy things with a wheel bearing. I cannot even hide it in my pocket. Can I take it? I don't think so.
Can you explain for what this is? I don't.
It's a wheel bearing.
Ah.
You know, it's a puller for hub. You know.
Ah.
Yes, when you're bearing it, you know, you pull that out.
Ah, nice.
I have a very nice video, but you guys have Wi-Fi here?
Yeah. But if it will work, it's the other question.
Oh, it's okay. But I have a very good video about that one.
Okay.
But not with this tool, from this cheaper brand tool. I can't afford that. It's very expensive. But there should be some plate for that one. This, which is a part of that. That is also famous, but very expensive. All right, here is some, I think, for shock absorber tools.
Over there's yeah, some of our specialty.
What is that car? Audi?
Yeah, quattro.
Okay, so they're working on Audi. Nice car.
This is for.
Yeah, that
see?
will I ask Stefan.
Yeah.
Stefan, you promised me.
Smiley, you can use my hotspot if you want.
Oh, all right. I just stop it.